Good morning, Anna. How are you today?
Good morning, Mark. I am fine, thank you. How are you?
I am very good. I sleep well last night. Did you sleep well?
Yes, I sleep well too. I wake up at 7 o'clock. What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6:30. I always wake up early. Do you want coffee?
Yes, please. I want coffee. I like coffee in the morning. Do you like coffee?
Yes, I love coffee. I drink coffee every morning. I make coffee now. The coffee is hot.
Thank you. The coffee smells very good. I add milk to my coffee. Do you add milk?
No, I drink black coffee. I do not add milk or sugar. I like black coffee very much.
I see. I always add milk. Sometimes I add sugar too. This coffee is very good.
Thank you. I buy this coffee yesterday. It is from the shop near our house.
The shop has good coffee. I go to that shop too. The people there are very nice.
Yes, they are nice people. What do you want for breakfast? We have bread and eggs.
I want eggs, please. I like eggs for breakfast. Do you want eggs too?
Yes, I want eggs. I make eggs for us. Do you like your eggs with butter?
Yes, please. I like butter on my eggs. I also want some bread. Do we have fresh bread?
Yes, we have fresh bread. I buy bread yesterday too. The bread is very soft and good.
Perfect. I love fresh bread. I eat bread with butter and jam. Do we have jam?
Yes, we have strawberry jam. The jam is in the refrigerator. I get it for you.
Thank you, Mark. You are very kind. I help you make breakfast. What can I do?
You can make the bread ready. I cook the eggs. The eggs need 5 minutes to cook.
Okay. I put the bread on the plates. I also put butter and jam on the table.
Good. The eggs are ready now. They look very good. I put them on the plates.
The breakfast looks wonderful. I am very hungry. Let us eat together.
Yes, let us eat. This food is very good. The eggs are perfect. Not too hard, not too soft.
I agree. The eggs are very tasty. The bread is also very fresh and good.
I am happy you like the breakfast. What are you going to do today?
Today, I clean the house. I clean every room. What about you? What do you do today?
Today, I work in the garden. The plants need water. I also cut the grass.
The garden is very beautiful. You work hard in the garden. The flowers are very pretty.
Thank you. I love working in the garden. The flowers make me happy. Do you like flowers?
Yes, I love flowers. My favorite flowers are roses. Do we have roses in our garden?
Yes, we have red roses and white roses. They are very beautiful. I show you later.
I want to see them. After breakfast, I start cleaning. I clean the kitchen first.
Good idea. I help you clean after I finish in the garden. We work together.
Mark, I finish cleaning the kitchen. Now I clean the living room. This room is very big.
The living room looks very clean already. You work very hard, Anna. Do you need help?
Thank you. I can do it. But can you move this table? It is very heavy for me.
Of course. I move the table now. Where do you want the table?
Please put the table near the window. I want to clean under the table.
Okay, I put the table here. Is this good? The table is near the window now.
Perfect. Thank you very much. Now I clean the floor under the table.
The floor is very dirty under the table. We do not clean there for a long time.
Yes, it is dirty, but I clean it now. I use the vacuum cleaner. The vacuum cleaner is very good.
The vacuum cleaner makes the floor very clean. I like our vacuum cleaner. It is new.
Yes, we buy it last month. It works very well. It is not too heavy.
I finish in the garden. The grass is short now. All the plants have water.
The garden looks very nice from the window. You do good work, Mark.
Thank you. I am tired now. Can we sit down for a few minutes?
Yes, let us sit. I am tired too. Cleaning is hard work, but the house looks very good now.
You are right. The house is very clean and beautiful. I like our house very much.
I like our house too. It is not very big, but it is comfortable. We have everything we need.
Yes, we are very lucky. We have a good house, good food, and good health.
That is true. We are very happy here. Do you want some water? I'm thirsty.
Yes, please. I want water too. The work makes me very thirsty.
I get water for us. The water in our house is very good and cold.
Thank you. This water is perfect. I feel better now. What time is it?
It is 12 o'clock. Time goes very fast when we work. Do you want lunch soon?
Yes, I am hungry. What do we have for lunch today?
We have chicken and rice. I cooked them yesterday. I just need to heat the food.
That sounds very good. I love your chicken and rice. You cook very well, Anna.
Thank you, Mark. You are very kind. I learned to cook from my mother.
Your mother is a very good cook. I remember her food. It is always delicious.
Yes, she cooks amazing food. I call her later today. I miss her very much.
That is a good idea. She likes to hear from you. She always asks about you.
Mark, after lunch, I clean our bedroom. The bedroom needs cleaning too.
I help you clean the bedroom. We can do it together. It is faster with two people.
Thank you. First, I change the bed sheets. These sheets are dirty. We use them for 1 week.
1 week is a long time. We need to change sheets more often. Maybe every 5 days?
You are right. Clean sheets are important. They help us sleep better at night.
Yes, I always sleep better with clean sheets. They smell fresh and good.
I put these dirty sheets in the washing machine later. Now I get clean sheets.
The clean sheets are in the closet. They are white and very soft.
Perfect. I love these white sheets. They are very comfortable and pretty.
I help you put the sheets on the bed. This bed is big. It is hard to do alone.
Thank you. You take that side, I take this side. We work together.
Good. The sheet looks perfect now. The bed looks very neat and clean.
Yes, it looks wonderful. Now I clean the floor. Can you move the chair?
Of course. I move the chair to the other room. The floor is clear now.
Thank you. I sweep the floor first. There is a lot of dust on the floor.
Where does all this dust come from? We cleaned last week.
Dust comes from everywhere. From clothes, from outside, from everywhere. It is normal.
I see. After you sweep, I clean the windows. The windows are not very clean.
Good idea. Clean windows make the room brighter. I like bright rooms very much.
Me too. Bright rooms make me happy. Dark rooms make me sad.
The sun comes through clean windows. Natural light is very good for us.
You are right. I clean the windows now. I use special cleaner for windows.
The windows look much better now. You do very good work, Mark.
Thank you. Now our bedroom is very clean and bright. I like how it looks.
Me too. Everything is perfect. The bed is comfortable, the floor is clean, the windows are clear.
We work well together. The house cleaning goes fast when we both work.
Yes, teamwork is very important. We are a good team, Mark.
I agree. We help each other every day. That makes life easier and happier.
Now the whole house is clean. We work hard today. I am proud of our work.
Me too. The house looks beautiful. Now we can relax and enjoy our clean home.
What do you want to do now? We have free time before dinner.
Maybe we can sit in the garden. The weather is very nice today.
That sounds perfect. I want to see the roses you talk about this morning.
Come with me. I show you all the flowers in our garden. You will love them.
I am very excited. I love spending time in the garden with you, Mark.
And I love spending time with you too, Anna. Every day with you is a good day.
You are very sweet. I am happy we live together in this beautiful house.
Me too, Anna. This is our perfect home, and we take good care of it together.